This one right here. Somebody made that.
A drain pan of some sort.
I don't know.
Danny's still cleaning, going through.
We found this little cubby hole up under here. And I'm finding all kind of little
This is an old-timey gas.
old-timey gas heater. It's still got the fire bricks and all in it. They're still in there.
Yeah, I mean, it looks nice. A box that we was trying to get to.
Here's another. This is the old-fashioned one. Look at that one.
Well, you want to take it out. Yeah. Well,
can you see that?
See.
Look at that one. That one's
one's
all
old.
ceramic. That is old there
And
now.
it looks like nothing's broken on it.
No, there's nothing broken on it.
Now, there's a box he's getting to. Actually, we were hunting rats.
We're hunting a dead rat.
we found one dead rat, but we hadn't found the one that's smelling real bad.
Plus, there's other stuff back here. Here's a
hacksaw.
There's a hacksaw. Oh, and look at here. There's a meat saw.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
Well, why ain't it just a giant hacksaw?
It's made to cut meat with. Like
wow.
You know how my big one, I got the real big one? This is the next size below it.
Wow. So a meat saw, a hacksaw. What's in the box? Ooh.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's old.
Is that a homemade handle? Looks like.
Yeah, that's a homemade handle. And it looked like, I don't know what kind of hack's head you call that, but
we'll have to picture
it's
lay it down.
You know what it is? It's a broad axe.
Lay it sideways.
It's a broad axe.
Okay.
This side is flat. This side has been cut off. It's made for cutting down side of logs when you're squaring up trees for logs, for like putting on a house.
Oh.
And it's got wedges. God, that wedge is heavy. These are made for splitting logs.
Is that an axe head or all?
No, these are
wedges.
3 wedges here. That one's been used a lot. It's been tapered out.
Wow.
That's made. Somebody used this for splitting logs. The rats is eating the thing out of it here.
Still didn't find a dead rat.
Well, I ain't got all the way to the back.
But I don't smell it in here, so.
Let me move this.
Can you take that heater out?
Cool. Leave that baby there.
It's heavy. It's all ceramic.
Okay, I let it move. Let me take your phone and look back in there. Or can
Kennedy Furniture in Wiggins. Where was Kennedy?
I never know we had a Kennedy in Popperville.
Maybe it's Well, both of them.
Look at that.
It's a square.
It's a square yardstick, and it's tapered. It goes to. It's
down
little
to a point.
And big on this end.
What would that be for?
I don't know.
So anybody know about a Kennedy Furniture in Wiggins and Poplarville? I can guarantee you the numbers don't work. You gonna take the heater out?
Well, I'm trying to get this. Okay, there's a threshold that goes under a door.
Stuff's just got jammed all over everywhere.
People just cram stuff up in anywhere.
Another threshold.
Another vinyl threshold. That's a metal one. This is a vinyl one. Well, you can get to the heater now. Now you can see the heater. I remember them from when I was a kid.
Yeah.
I do remember them.
They had the one Mama had, didn't have that type of surrounding on it, but it had those pieces
had those grates like that.
And it had a frame around it so kids wouldn't get on it.
Yeah, so kids couldn't get to it to touch it.
And she kept a bucket on it with water in it, one of them metal coffee can, Maxwell House coffee can. And I caught the garbage can on fire under my piano, and I threw it over in the coffee can because we were sitting there playing with the fire in the...
Lord.
And I went and threw the piece of paper that caught on fire in the garbage can, and the garbage can caught on fire, so I went and tried to throw it in the coffee can to put it out.
Okay, there's that and that. So
you got to put the other heater back?
I don't know what that is.
Another treasure hunt day, huh?
Yeah.
That one, the color and stuff of it. What's it made out of?
Metal.
It's metal?
This one's all steel.
It's got a pretty woodish metal, marblish or woodish or something metal.
The whole thing.
That's a lot of matches. See if they'll strike.
Oh, book matches. Look at that.
I'd like to go through them and see what they are.
They're from different hotels. I can see that. Every one of them's a different hotel. I mean, every one of them is a different hotel.
Somebody traveled.
I mean, that'd be interesting, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, all this needs to go out into the other building out there.
But no rat yet.
Ain't found no rat yet.